Hello everyone, myself Sivakrishna. In this video, I am going to explain add log fields activity and remove log fields activity in UiPath Studio. So generally when you log a message using the log message activity in UiPath Studio, we would need to provide message and we need to select log level, right? So when you execute this log message, you would find this log message information in the output panel, and when you double click and open the message details, you would find more information here. So this information we would be calling as log fields, and it is in the format of dictionary. We can add more custom logs in the log fields by using the add log fields activity. So here I have taken one add log fields activity and I have mentioned the process name as a custom log field, and I have mentioned the add log field text as a value. So let me step into this activity. This process name custom log field would be available in the next log messages that we mention in this workflow. So let me step into this log message and see the log fields. So if you observe here, along with the default log fields, you would find the custom log field that we added using the add log field activity. So here I have taken another log field activity and I have mentioned two more custom log fields. Those are name and date. So let me step into this activity, and so far we have added three custom log fields. Those are process name and date. So when I execute this log message, you would find three custom log fields in this message. So let me step into this log message and see the log fields. So if you see here, we have three custom log fields. So these three custom log fields would be available in the entire project until we remove these fields. So let me remove two log fields using the remove log fields. So here I have taken remove log fields activity and I have mentioned name and date, and let me step into this activity. So initially we have added three custom log fields, and now we have removed two custom log fields, right? So when I execute this log message, you would find only the process name custom log in the log fields, and name and date won't be available in the log fields. So let me execute this log message and see the log fields. So if you observe here, you can see only the process name and we can't see the name and date as we remove the log fields using the remove log fields activity. So this information you can find in the execution log file. If you open this text file, if you go to the last, so initially we have added the process name custom log field, and after that we have added two more custom logs fields, name and date, and later on we removed these two custom logs and we have only process name custom log field available. So if you deploy this process in UiPath Orchestrator, you would find the information in the UiPath Orchestrator logs as well. So initially if you open the details, you would see the default log fields information. So after we adding the process name log field, you would find the process name, and after that we added name and date. So we can see process name, name and date, and after that we removed name and date and we can see only the process name, right? So this is all about add log field and remove log fields in UiPath Studio. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.